Good afternoon, Highland Park family, and Lewis and Clark family, and to Garfield Nation. Mr. Lewis can't be with us right now. He had a call to go out on, but we wanted to do our Books for Bikes assembly that was originally scheduled for Friday at each one of our schools. Obviously, due to what we got going on right now, we can't have kids here, but the show must go on, and we want to give a big shout out and thank you to our Lewistown Masons who do this every year for the Books for Bikes.
Woo!
So you guys go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hello again, we're back again this year. I'm Bob Jenny, this is Casey Jenny, and there's only two of us this year because of the situation, I guess. But we're still going to do the raffle and get some bike winners. We're also wearing masks and gloves because I guess that's what we're supposed to do now.
Absolutely, and stay 6 feet apart.
Yeah,
Go ahead, Casey.
better stay 6 feet apart.
All right, we ready for this? All right, here we go. We will start off with kindergartner. Who is our lucky kindergartner? All right, kindergartner is purple from Garfield. Here we go. Garfield kindergartner is Spencer in Miss Patton's class. Woohoo!
Yay!
Spencer from Miss Patton's class.
Spencer. And here is his gift certificate for a new bike.
All right. And now first grader from Garfield. I'm going to get way down deep. You want to do it, Mr. Words?
All right, gloves.
There we go. All right. Oh, we have Gavin from Mrs. Sparks' class.
All right.
All right, Gavin from Mrs. Sparks' class. You are our winner for first
Good job,
grade.
Gavin.
Woo!
All right, and then on to second grade. We've got a lot in here, second graders, so we're going to put it in the big tub here. Maybe if we can get it all out.
You guys are doing a good job. I'll just let you do it. I'm a good supervisor.
All right, you guys go ahead and shake that up. Shake it up there, nice and good. There we go. All right, here we go. Second grade Books for Bike winner is Brody Martinez. Congratulations, Brody. You'll be getting a gift certificate from Lewistown Masons for a free bike. On to third grade here. All right, third grade. Go ahead, shake them up. All right, third grader is Elena Rohde. Congratulations.
Woo!
You are our third grade winner for Books for Bikes. And on to the last one from Highland Park here, fourth grade. Make sure they're all in there, shake it up nice and good. There you go. All right. Fourth grade winner is... Oh, Faith McLean! Congratulations there,
Woo!
Faith. You are our fourth grade winner. On to Lewis and Clark.
All right, Elsie. I'm really proud of you guys for reading all the month of February. Appreciate it. I'm going to draw out two names, one from 5th grade, one from 6th grade, for your Bikes for Books champion. I'm not going to throw it in the pail. I'm just going to look real good. Hope there's something down low.
Reach in.
Sorry for all of you people on the edge there. And our 5th grade champion will be Theta Bell.
Yay! Woohoo! There you go! Yep.
Zoom in on that.
It's true. All right, and 6th grade. That's deep, deep. Take that up a little bit for me.
All right. Got some big mitts there, Mr. Works. Some bear paws.
Technical difficulties.
All right.
And the winner for our 6th grade Bikes for Books champion, Kira Tyndall.
Woohoo! Kira!
Congratulations.
All right. Thank you, all you guys, for joining us or watching this afterwards. We miss you. We love you guys. And a big thank you to the Lewistown Masons for providing the books for bikes.
Woohoo!
Yeah.